Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great and you are improving your English speaking skills. Today I'm going to talk about how you can improve your English speaking skills and how you can learn vocabularies in a smart way. And I also explain how to learn vocabularies and how to use those vocabularies in your daily life. You don't need to learn advanced vocabularies to speak in English. If you are a beginner, you just have to learn simple vocabularies that you use in your daily life. So you just have to learn simple vocabularies and their alternatives and their opposite words, simple phrases. You don't need to learn the vocabularies that you um, learn from the news, like you watch the news and you learn from that. Those vocabulary doesn't work for you in your real situation while speaking, and you don't use that in a daily life situation is different from that vocabularies, because those are very advanced vocabularies, and you are someone who are just starting, who are someone who are just starting to speak in English. So that kind of vocabulary, advanced vocabulary, doesn't matter to you. In daily conversation, you use simple vocabularies. For example, you use very simple and that vocabularies that you really use while speaking. For example, happy. So you can make the words like sentence, I am happy, or I am feeling happy today because I recorded my video. So you can use this word happy to describe that how you are feeling. And you can learn opposite word like happy, sad, and you can even learn the alternative of happy, delighted. So these kind of vocabulary that you need to learn to improve your vocabularies and that you can use in your speaking practice. While speaking, you can use these vocabularies. There are a lot of simple vocabularies that helps you to improve your speaking skills, because learning vocabularies is a very important part of speaking. Like while speaking, you don't just speak English, you use the vocabularies, like you describe something while speaking, so you have to learn the vocabularies. Like I'm speaking, but while speaking I am using the vocabularies, right? So vocabulary is the very important part of speaking. So if you want to sound more clear and want to sound more natural while speaking, you have to learn vocabularies. You don't need to learn advanced vocabulary, you just have to learn simple vocabularies like important, so you can learn their alternatives. significant. You can learn mm, opposite word, important, and there are a lot of vocabularies that you can learn. Like I can tell you the vocabularies, simple for giving you example, like simple vocabularies and their alternatives, like happy, glad, delighted, sad, unhappy, upset, big, large, huge, small, little, tiny. So these kind of vocabularies that you can learn and that you can use while speaking. Learning simple vocabularies helps you to boost your confidence while speaking. For example, if you learn very hard word, like you don't know the meaning of that word and you don't know how to speak, how to use that word while speaking, so there is no use of that word. In daily life, we all know that we use very simple words, like we don't use very higher and very advanced vocabularies while speaking. So first, you can learn, if you are a beginner, you just have to start with the basic vocabularies that helps you to build your speaking, uh, that helps you to continue your conversation, that helps you to build your flow while speaking. You don't need to learn higher vocabularies. And when you become better at it, you can improve. You can learn more advanced vocabularies. But first, you have to learn simple vocabularies that you need and that you use in daily life. I realized myself that even I was learning that vocabularies that I didn't use. And when I realized that learning those vocabularies is very important that you use in your daily lives. And I was learning advanced vocabulary that I didn't use while speaking. So I realized and I found that that was not working for me because I learned a lot of vocabularies I didn't use while speaking. So I found myself stuck to learn those vocabularies and not using those vocabulary while speaking. So now I got the solution and I am talking about it to help you to improve your speaking skill, to help you to improve your vocabularies, to learn more vocabularies that help you to build your speaking skills better. So learn simple vocabularies first, then you can improve, you can learn more advanced vocabularies. So that's all for today that I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for watching my video.